Yes.
And welcome back. Will Worsham now joins Bruce Porter, which they're joining us once again. Thank you.
Here we are.
So how's it going?
Glad you can make it.
Hey, I'm happy to be here.
Yeah.
Good. We're glad you're here.
Glad you made it.
Glad to be here.
We were talking a little bit earlier about the seminar.
Yes.
Next couple that you have coming up in March.
And they're just booked solid.
Yeah.
And we're happy about that, and we like having people there, and I'm glad people are coming. I'm glad they want to get this information because it's important to me, it's important to Bruce, and it's important to everybody that shows up. So,
people over the time that you both have been coming on, you tend to think of Bruce as the financial person. You're the legal person. How does that work together in the estate plan?
I know as much about finance as Bruce does, and Bruce knows as much about law as I do.
Oh, that's helpful.
I'm not sure if that's good or not.
It's not good, but it's the truth.
We make it work.
Okay.
So how long does this last when people come in? This is not an all-night endeavor by any stretch. This is
we make it fun,
quick.
and honestly, and I said this I think the last time I did that, and I couldn't do the last one because I was out because I was sick. But if you came to 2 different seminars, 2 different months, you'd have a completely different experience, and you'd have a great time both months.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I know you cover a lot of ground.
Yeah, we cover a lot of ground. We stick to our schedule. We're there an hour. So, we do a couple of things during that hour, and then Will kind of explains everything. But we stick to that format. The one thing we don't want to do is just bog down in all the details, because it's not like we're going to all write a trust case tonight.
Right.
And we're going to work out all the details and answer all your questions. That's not what it's for. We want to give you the basics of the information, and then we are willing to sit down and go over your details and establish what we need to do. So we do that in a private meeting.
Well, as an example, though, what would you say is like the one thing that you try to get through to people who come to your seminars?
So here's the key. I was not an estate planner when I started as a lawyer.
Yeah.
But through my own personal experiences with my own family, I decided that this is an area of law that people are underserved, and so it was important to me as my family that people understand and know what it means to have a good estate plan. And so we want to overcome the fear that people have from estate planning. So we break through that barrier. We give them a little bit of education, and then we give them the next steps. That's what's important.
I think another thing that you do, Will, that made me feel so much better about even starting this process is the way you said you do not have to come in with every document and every piece of ownership and deed that you have in the world. You just need to come in with the basics, and you'll worry about that down the road. That made me feel better about getting
you can come in with nothing. And in fact, I want you to come in with nothing. I don't want you to come in. And I think a lot of lawyers, and I don't know if it's hubris or what, but they come in and say, hey, you need to have all this because I'm the expert. Well, if I'm the expert, you don't need to come in with anything. You need to come in and ask me, because I'm the one that's going to help you, and Bruce is going to help you.
Yes.
And we're going to, so it's not on you, it's on us to make it work for you.
Yeah, don't get freaked out on the front end that you're not prepared, because that's what they're there to help you.
It's not heavy lifting, is what you're saying. This is informative, easy.
That's exactly right.
Because it should be.
Come in with an open mind and gather the information. I would rather people sit there and listen than to be going through all their material, trying to figure out what we might need next and things like that. Just, especially at the workshops, just come and listen and learn. And then when we sit down, come and listen and ask your questions, and then we go from there.
All right, guys, thank you very much for being with us.
Email Will at wworsham@colorton.com, and he'll answer legal questions
for Bruce
in the future. That's right. All right.